sudden you start connecting to that field.
Forgive me, I had Dr. Joe Dispenza playing in the background. This is Lorraine Pursell. I just got a revelation, and of course, my first priority once I get a breakthrough thought is to share it with you, my community. So thank you for watching either live or the replay. For more of my work, go to 3keys2selflove.com. The number 3 keys like you put in your car, to selflove.com. Okay, so I'm driving down this beautiful road with beautiful overhanging trees with Spanish moss coming down off of them. And it hits me, Vicky, it hits me. Right on the other side of anxiety and all the things that cause us to want to run and grab something. Even for me, I've gotten rid of all of my addictions, but one thing I still do, I noticed lately, is I'll go and I'll think, oh, I need to put a movie in, and it's to escape. What are we escaping from? If we can, oh, what is that? Like a bumblebee. It's like as big as a hummingbird. Oh, I hope he didn't just get killed. Right on the other side of anxiety, if we can hang, if we can go, what am I trying to run from? What am I trying to escape from? Now there's a butterfly right there. Wow, okay, there's some stuff going on right now. Just on the other side of anxiety, if we can breathe and be present to what we're trying to run from, what we're trying to self-medicate for. With me, running to a movie is self-medicating. It's something to get me to numb, okay? I don't drink anymore. I don't do any kind of drugs. I don't have sex. I don't have wild sex. You know, there's nothing. Sometimes I overeat to medicate, but I'm even stopping to do that. I'm getting very aware of it. But for me, it's a movie. You might go, well, it's just a movie. Yes, Vicky, it's just a movie. All spiritual. It's just a movie. No, it's not just a movie. I'm calling myself out on it. When I'm feeling some anxiety and I go, oh God, I've had a day, I'm going to throw a movie in and escape. It's like, no, if I can hold myself present, what is it? What is it? What is it? And it doesn't mean you stay in misery. It means you go, okay, I'm aware that I'm feeling anxiety or guilt or shame, or I remember something that somebody said to me that was condemning, or, oh God, that's amazing, Vicky. Cardinals and doves. Yes, 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 yes. If I can stay, and then visualize what I want, feel the good feelings of where I am heading in life. You know, certainly apologize for what you need to apologize for. Whether they accept it or not, it doesn't matter. At least you've done your side of the fence. Listen, you can't make people happy. There's nothing you can do to make people happy. It's up to them to be happy. Have you come to that point yet? I've had enough situations in my life where I know there's nothing that I can make the people in my life happy. Because if I do one thing, and then it only lasts for as long as you're doing all the perfect things. As soon as you mess up, which you're going to mess up, I'm going to mess up. I don't know about you, but I'm going to mess up. In their mind, it's over. You know, you're just back in jail. So my point is, as soon as you step through the door of anxiety, all the magic doors open. All the magic doors open. All the magic doors open. And all you have to do to break the trance and calm your nerves is to take 5 deep breaths to break the trance.
You okay?
You are so sweet. I just love you. Yes, I am. I'm doing a live stream, but I just can't thank you enough for stopping. I just send you so much love.
Thank you.
Bye. Oh, I'm going to cry. Like that. Like that. Hi, Cassie. in a world where there are racial tensions and people are ignoring each other because I'm coming present, that happened. And it was this beautiful black man that just stopped and asked me if I was okay because I was pulled off the side of the road. You guys, once you stay present with everything you're trying to run from, once you stay present, thank you, Vicki, for the hugs. Vicki saying, you are being your true self. Yes. Once you stay present, you will become your true self. And you might have to do this 100 times in a day because there's stuff that you're so afraid to look at. There's stuff that you're so afraid to admit. There's stuff that you're so afraid to deal with. But once you just stop and take those 5 deep cleansing breaths, maybe, ground to Mother Earth, call a good friend who understands you. You might only have 2 in the whole world. This Earth Angel community that I have is like, yes. It's the bomb. Hi, Jenna. Nice to see you. Once you do that and stay present with the thing you're trying to run from because you're so fucking uncomfortable with it, you're so afraid that you're wrong. What it is, we're afraid that we're wrong. We've been made so wrong in our life. Hold on a second. Once we come clean and just stay with the discomfort, stay with the discomfort, stay with the discomfort. I love driving through this neighborhood. It's all these beautiful, peaceful African-American people. And I just love coming through the neighborhood and just sending blessings all everywhere I go. Just on the other side of you staying present with your anxiety. And then calming your nerves and just telling yourself, everything always works out for me. There's nothing but the stream of well-being. How does it get better than this? Just see yourself floating down a river, just imagining peaceful thoughts. Maybe for you, it's a calm meadow. Maybe for you, it's thinking of the ocean. Whatever it is. For me, it's just like being like a little leaf on a stream, just floating. Does a leaf have any cares? No. So just on the other side of your anxiety is the magic door, where everything opens to you, where bliss opens to you, where everything comes alive. I'm just looking right now and all the trees are just sending me love. I know I sound like absolute loony. I don't care. I don't care anymore how loony I sound. I don't care who likes me. I don't care who doesn't like me. I've lost everybody and everything that I thought was important to me. So it doesn't matter anymore. I am completely free. I am completely free. I am completely free from every single tether. I am not a daughter. I am not a mother. I am not a grandmother. I am Lorraine. I am a child of God. That's it. If people want to come to me, great. But I can know. Hi, Brian. Mary, hi. Sorry if I didn't say hi to you. So good to see you again. I am free. I am free. I am free. The more I shed, I am free to do my mission and my purpose, which is just being me. Free to be me. Exactly, Vicki. As soon as that came up, I was saying the same words. Just free to be me. Thank you, Vicki. I just had to stop and share this with you. Just on the other side of anxiety is the magic door to bliss. I mean, the trees are just sending me love. Everything is alive, you guys. It's like Alice in Wonderland, and I promise you I'm on nothing. Just on the other side of you staying present with your anxiety and being fearless. Knowing that you're going to look at it, it's going to fucking hurt, it's going to be so embarrassing, it's going to be humiliating, you're going to make your apologies, but you're going to do the right thing, you're not going to grovel, you're not going to bend over backwards anymore. This is the classic Earth Angel move, and we're over it. we're on to better territory. We are on to bigger territory. We are on to my Earth Angel Nation. All of you who hear my voice, we're on to something bigger now. So many of you are shedding the engines that are on the rocket, that are the 750 million pounds of thrust to get you up into the rarefied air. You're shedding the people who don't understand you, and you feel like you need to keep connecting to them because they're your relatives, because you love them. You love them with all your heart. But you know, Jesus has there's a scripture that says a prophet is not without honor save in his own family, or something like that. Like they're the ones that aren't going to get you as you go on this spiritual trajectory. So for a lot of us, that's happening right now in my Earth Angel Nation, my Earth Angel tribe. And I'm just here to share with you my revelations as I pioneer this path, because there is nothing before God. And Denise in Australia was saying that God will purge everything until it's just you and Source, you and Source, you and Source. And the scripture comes to mind, but you shall have no other gods before me. So it's like that. I am shedding my booster engines now that I'm getting up into the rarefied air where I don't need them. And I'm an Earth Angel. I'm a queen. It doesn't matter what people think. I can no longer explain or justify or do anything to get people to like me. It's such a relief. So just on the other side of your anxiety and the things you don't want to deal with, the things you don't want to look at, the things you're so afraid to look at, and you're dancing around because you're trying to be the good girl, you're trying to get people to approve of you, you got to just drop it. I'm just inviting you to drop it if you're getting the inclination to drop it, because I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you what's happening to me as I am giving up. I'm just giving up the fight to try to get people to like me. People who, you know, society says should like me, should understand me. They don't. They just don't. It's okay. Vicki, I had 7 squirrels, birds, chipmunks, and a little more, and in my snow white heaven. Oh, it's a beautiful day, and I thank Sister for making time for us on this day. Love you always. Thank you, Vicki. So my word today is just on the other side of anxiety, fear, guilt, shame, doubt. If we can stop and take 5 deep breaths, get ourselves recentered, and then look at it. Make amends wherever we need to, apologize certainly, but no more groveling, no more trying to make it right where we're bending over backwards. You just give up the good fight. Give it up. You are not a daughter. You are not a mother. You are not a grandmother. You are not a citizen of your country. You are a child of the universe, here to not make people understand you, to not make people like you, to not do what people want you to. You are here to cleave to your maker, whoever that is for you, and do what's in your heart to do and be your truest self. So I'm sending you so much love. For more of my work, go to 3keystoselflove.com. The link is in the description above, the title above. Just be true to you. It's the only way out. It's the only way out in this world. And the world is in a point now where it's making it more and more easy for us to do this, because more and more people are not understanding us. It's okay. We're not here to make them happy. We're not here to be what they want us to be. We are only here to do the right thing by our own heart, in alignment with ourselves. I'm here every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 8 a.m. Eastern for live streams that will enrich your soul and send peace to the planet. So this is Lorraine Pursell sending you so much love. 3 keys to selflove.com. The number 3, keys like you put in your car, to selflove.com. And I'll be connecting with you real soon. Sending so much love to you, dear one.